I'm gonna be taking her apart. I gotta clean the bar out, do everything to flip my bar. I gotta move my oiler to the other side. I wanna clean the rails out and then take a look at my sprocket. So I'm thinking about ordering a smaller one. Let's see what size I have in here. I don't remember if I have a 7 or an 8 that it came with. I want to drop her down to run more torque out of this saw. And then one of the other things I want to do, so make sure you can see what I'm talking about. So the guide for the wood chips right here, I want to take a little bit more of that off, because what I've noticed is I'm packing wood, sawdust in right here. And I want to get it so I can get as much of that out as I can. Reduce the drag and everything. Dirty. Clean this up a little bit too. Everybody deals with big bars, but chains are not a joke. So I got a 7-tooth in there. Definitely don't want to go up. I'll have to do some research to see if people recommend going down to a 6-tooth or not. I guess you can let me know. Would I be better off going to a 6-tooth or trying to tune this better to get more power out of it? As you can tell when I'm making my cuts, bogging down a little bit. I mean, also I am using like one of the biggest bars you can get for one of these saws, a single power head. But we'll get to doing the rest of it and then figure that out later. Alright, so we're cleaning this bar out. I'll start by taking my oiler plug out here. Need to flip it. Made quite a few cuts. I probably should have already flipped this bar over. So all this is it's from the Granberg oiler kit. And what I did was I drilled the center out and then these out to allow more oil flow. So a lot of guys recommending to do that. Yeah, my legs are clean apart a little bit. This side goes nice and smooth. This other side here is pretty rough. Got a lot of stuff packed in there. This is just 150 grit. I don't want to sand away too much on there. Go in and use this to get all the rest of that build up in there, and then it's going to smooth out Alright. So I'm going to trim this guy down a little bit just to allow the wood chips to come out easier. Thinking if I go something like that. Just do a little bit off of there. Keep them out of the sprocket still, but allow them to come out of this case easier. Definitely be prettier, but just enough. Get out that Dremel and clean it up a little bit more, but just enough to allow this to come out instead of sticking in here like it's doing.